Hello everybody. Today we discussed the uh, encapsulation. In last class we talked about abstraction and data hiding. So today in the further of OOPS feature, in the continuous of OOPS feature, we talk about encapsulation, the main feature. Encapsulation. First of all, think about capsule. You know, when we have cold, we take so many type of capsules. Think about uh, one capsule which come in a plastic coated form. मतलब coating is of plastic, or in that we see inside there some medicine is there. So so that medicine is useful for curing a cold. So how it wrap? Using some plastic coating, we wrap uh, that medicine in a form of capsule. So so we bind. So encapsulation is a process of binding. Like in capsule, we bind the medicine into one single unit. Whole medicine which is for curing a cold. So we bind in form of capsule. So like that encapsulation in Java is a object-oriented programming. It's a process of binding our and data and variables to it, and its corresponding behaviors any methods also the corresponding methods into a single unit. Single unit is called is known as encapsulation. Like in I talk give one example of related to Java. Like I want student data. I want student data. So for student I want the student information. For student information, I want his data and corresponding uh, behaviors also, corresponding methods also. So for student information, we want this. So we can combine these both of them in a single unit by using a class. So we can achieve this binding of both in a single unit by using a class. Using class, we can bind both data and methods together in a single unit. Like I have a class student, a minute, class student, that there is a variable roll number and the corresponding method like void get roll number. Using encapsulation of binding both into a single unit. Can, in Java, it achieved by using a class concept. Okay, so using that, it is encapsulation. So we achieve by using class. So, in last classes we talk about data hiding plus abstraction also. data hiding plus abstraction is nothing but encapsulation only. Well, it's component. If any component, write that. If any component follow data hiding or abstraction, so compulsory that component should be encapsulated. That component should be encapsulated component. Means like if we if we follow encapsulation component, so uh, that component directly follow the both features. Both feature it have data hiding and abstraction. Like in many feature using data hiding and abstraction, compulsory that component is encapsulated component. Like as one example, there is a class name as bank. Okay, there's one variable I declare as private int balance, and in that I take one method void get balance, that we get the balance. So as you see this class, so see or think in left side in that I showing one this wait a minute, I want to show something. Wait, let's go in that option is balance and inquiry. Okay, so think see I write a class name as bank, in that I write a private variable. So this is this another notepad is think like it's a GUI screen. Using GUI screen in a bank, I click on balance, then the our balance will come. After validation, our balance will come. So it's we only see a set of services, nothing but data, nothing but abstraction. We only see a set of services and hiding a internal implementation. How balance get balance function is implemented, or using that we also achieve data hiding. How without a proper validation the person can get uh, his balance. After get balance in that method, after proper validation he will get see his balance. So So using if you see this class bank, I declare variable and method. So it's nothing but encapsulation. Using encapsulation, we achieve both data hiding and abstraction. So data hiding and abstraction in any component, if you see, is nothing but encapsulated component. So last I have to discuss another topic. Uh, I have to discuss another topic in that it's also very not complicated. Tightly and encapsulated. Another topic, tightly encapsulated. Sometimes we importance to data hiding. Uh, so without having uh, knowing without knowing we have our class contain getter setter method or not. So we using so that class is known as tightly encapsulated class. What is tightly encapsulated? So definition is that if a class in a class all variables are declared as private. So without knowing that class have a class contain a corresponding getter setter method or not. It's a related getter setter method having simple methods getter method or irrespective of class have any irrespective of class method is public or not. If a class have any or if any variable declare as private, all variable are declared as private, compulsory it is encapsulated component. Tightly encapsulated class. It's called a type I take example. Class private C. See that class not around contain a method but it contain a variable name with private name with C and declare private modifier. So we directly say this tightly encapsulated class. If any class we think it's extend or C, or if it also contain a variable entity. So as we know, using extend parent class property will come to check private variable of C, private variable C is come to class D. So in that variable C and D, the class is encapsulated as you see, tightly encapsulated class in D. Also, all variable are private, so it also tightly encapsulated. If in a C class it's not declared as private, but C class private is coming to D, but one variable is not uh, private, so it's not so we not set this class is tightly encapsulated class. So last I say uh, last class D extend C हो गया. हाँ, so question you write which of the following is tightly encapsulated. Tightly encapsulated class. Okay. If we see class A is not contain any private variable, okay, so that class is not tightly encapsulated. But in a child class, we extend that class, but in child class it contains one private variable D. So if we extend child parent property will come into child. So you see one variable is not private, so it's not tightly encapsulated class. So last I say using that we give importance to the data hide. Using that component. Using that component we give okay. So last I say if any class if any parent class if any parent class contain non-private member non-private data member compulsory its child is non child is not encapsulated class non encapsulated class. That's the only topic today. So must I say thank you to